name is Matt Wildrick. I live in West Half in the Navy Yard in Washington, D.C., and I have an Ori pocket studio. So when I was looking for an apartment in D.C., I realized I have a budget and I could pretty much only afford a studio. From my experience in living in a 2-bed, 2-bath, when I cook, all the smells from cooking would get into the couch, and I realized, if I move into a studio, I don't want to be wrapped up in my sheets in my bed smelling like a taco. I saw West Half's website, and I saw that they have something called an Ori Pocket Studio, and they had a video that showed how it worked, and I thought, this is the future. Is you're basically getting a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. I can separate the space, my bedroom space, completely from my entertaining space, and I can choose when to make this space my bedroom or my living room. One of my favorite things is I've set it up with some smart lighting, so I can say, Alexa, turn on all lights, and the lights in many areas will come on. I'm kind of a blossoming audiophile. I know enough to put together a pretty decent system. One of the coolest things that helps with acoustics, of course, is moving the speakers back and forth with the Ori. So I can play music, and I can move the Ori as I wish, back and forth, to change how close the speakers are to the listening position on the couch. Open up, and I have tons of closet space for my clothes. And open over here, even more closet space for jackets or backpacks. I even have my the suit, room to have a little suitcase in there. I have tons of hats. It's crazy. I wanted it right. I did all the measurements. I made sure I got a mattress that was just big enough to fit right in here, because I wanted to be as high off the ground as I possibly could. And there are units that are just like this, perhaps even next to us, that don't have an Ori in them, and you just kind of see how small the space really becomes. The space becomes smaller without an Ori in it.